1, 2, 3, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. How do you spell cat? Emma, can you spell cat? Emma.
Emma, how do you spell cat?
C. Hello.
What does the cat say?
Emma, can you spell cat? Please.
I'll give you $1.
C. What's $1? How do you spell cat?
How do you spell mom? M-O-M. What's your favorite letter?
D.
Tasha, say D.
Who's the president?
No.
Who's the president of Canada?
Papa.
Harper.
Who's the president of Mexico?
Carla.
Calderon. Who's the president of England?
Gobble.
Remember, it's Brown. Gordon Brown.
Who's the president?
Who's our president?
Mouse.
Huh?
Not a mouse. Who's the president?
Mouse.
Can you spell cat? C. Please. Can you spell cat? C. Oh, your baby's sleeping?
No spelling when babies are sleeping. How old?
How old are you, Emma?
H-I...
J.
K.
Okay. Can you spell cat? C.
The mouse likes a cat. How do you spell cat?
C. Oh, baby's sleeping. Okay, say night-night. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Emma, look. Where's Daddy? Is Daddy at Shell or Texaco?
Where does Daddy work? Okay, bye-bye. Can you blow a kiss?